In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to charge key in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order for you to charge your key in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2, you will need to equip a specific skill called a key charge skill. This skill allows you to manually charge your key during battle. So, for you to acquire one of these skills, you will be able to obtain them through various means, such as completing parallel quests, purchasing them from shops, or leveling up your character. For this specific video, I'm not going to go over all of the specific instructions that you have to do to acquire them, but you will be able to get them passively from completing objectives, quests, and so on. Some of the popular key charge skills will include energy charge and full power charge. So once you have acquired one of these skills, you will be able to equip it to one of your super attack slots. So once the skill is equipped, you will be able to press the button assigned to that ability or to your equipped key charge skill to activate it. So all that you have to do is press the button that you see displayed right next to the key charge skill. While the skill is active, your key gauge will start to fill up rapidly. So you will be able to use the skill at any point during gameplay by looking at the button associated to it after you equip it into any of your super attack slots. Your key gauge will also gradually fill up as you attack enemies or defend yourself, even without using the key charge skill. Using Key Blast attacks will consume a small amount of this, and performing super attacks and ultimate attacks will consume a significant amount of Ki. But as long as you have the Key Charge skill equipped, you will be able to regain Ki at a faster pace during battle. You just have to press the specified button after you acquire the Key Charge skill and equip it on one of your super attack slots. Remember to complete parallel quests, find them in shops, and level up your characters to acquire more of these skills. I hope I was able to help you on how to charge key in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.